Mastering collocations, the magic of reference materials. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of collocations, and more specifically, we will be identifying and correcting inappropriate collocations in formal writing. Our special focus for this session will be on how to effectively use reference materials and resources to accomplish this. This is an essential skill, especially in academic or professional settings, so let's get started. Before we start correcting them, it's important to understand what collocations are. They are words that naturally go together in English. Examples of this could be make a decision or take notes. Using the wrong collocation, such as do a decision or make notes, can make your English sound less fluent and natural. But don't worry, with the right tools and resources, we can work on this together. Now that we understand what collocations are, how can we identify the ones that are out of place? First, you need to develop an eye for unusual combinations. This comes from extensive reading, listening, and practice. For instance, if you see or hear, have a shower, instead of take a shower, you will begin to notice that it sounds a bit off. The good news is, you are not alone in this. There are a variety of reference materials and resources to help you identify and correct inappropriate collocations. Dictionaries are a great place to start. Look for collocation dictionaries specifically. These special dictionaries list the words that typically go together. Another good tool to use is a corpus, which is a large collection of texts that you can search to see how words are used in context. By inputting your phrase, you can see if it appears often in native English writing or speech. If it does, it's likely a correct collocation. Lastly, language apps and websites can also be helpful resources. Many offer collocation lists and quizzes to practice with. As with any language learning, practice is key. Use your new skills and resources to actively identify and correct collocations in your own writing and speaking. The more you use correct collocations, the more natural they will feel. And that's it. A crash course in identifying and correcting inappropriate collocations using reference materials and resources. Remember, don't be discouraged if this feels difficult at first. With practice and the right tools, you'll be a master of collocations in no time. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'm excited to see your progress in mastering collocations. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.